Hello, my name is Fabio Pedrotti and I'm here to introduce you in the world of our mobile grain dryers. Today we will see the tutorial for the maintenance of our Pedrotti oil burners, both with 2 or 3 flames, our most sold heating devices. As a first thing, we need to extract the burner from its housing. To do so, we have to open the fast clip and pull back the burner, which will slide on its track. Now, it is possible to rotate the burner to start the maintenance process. Maintenance. Now we have to unscrew the air deflector and pull it out from its bracket. As a third action, we need to unscrew the electrodes and push them back to clear the area around the nozzles. Now we will clean the nozzles. This should be done each 100 hours of burner working. With a setscrew wrench number 16, as the one we are seeing, remove the 3 nozzles and remind the original positioning, since each one has a different oil flow rate. Open the nozzles and blow some compressed air on their filters to clean them from impurities. Once the cleaning is over, we can reassemble the nozzles and screw them back on their original threaded seat. Place the spark plug electrodes back in their place and measure the distance between each others, as we can see in the video. Carefully respect the indicated distance 5-6 mm for the 3 flames and 4-5 mm on the 2 flames, since it is necessary for the proper ignition of the flames. Place back the air deflector in its bracket. Measure 12 mm on the 3 flames and 10 mm on the 2 flames with a spacing bar or a caliper and fasten it. Extract the photocell from its housing and clean it. Take care to position it back with the cell looking toward the flames. Check the good state of the insulated protections around the electrodes and of their electrical connections. After long periods, it is advisable to check also the good state of the electric connections inside the burner electric box, where it is housed also the thermal relay and its reset button. Sliding pistons regulation. Now we will see how to regulate the air for each flame of the burners. To do so, we will act on the sliding pistons fitted on our burners, which regulate the airflow through a mechanical flap inside the burner's body. 3 flames Pedrotti burners. First flame regulation. Loosen the locking screw on the air flap operating lever. Now you can open and close the valve until you see an optimal combustion through the burner eye. Now you can fasten the locking screw. Second flame regulation. Unlock the upper lock nut on the sliding piston. Now you can regulate the second flame of the burner until you get an optimal combustion. Fasten the upper lock nut. Third flame regulation. Unlock the second lock nut on the sliding piston. Fasten or loosen it until you get an optimal combustion. Fasten the second lock nut. 2 flames Pedrotti burners. First flame regulation. Act as for the first stage of the 3 flames burners. Second flame regulation. Unlock the lock nut on the back sliding piston. Now you can regulate the second flame of the burner until you get an optimal combustion. Fasten the lock nut. Perfect! Now that your grain dryer is ready to work, we wish you a good harvest season, and we remember you that our offices and our technician departments will remain at your disposal for any further doubts or information. Thanks for watching and keep on drying.